how to log in to Line account. So if you want to log into your Line account, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Line. Make sure that you installed it and launch. After launching, you will get these two options, which is login and sign up. You need to go with login, which will be on the bottom. Now you can go and select main device. If you will state this device as a main device, you'll be logged out of all of the other devices. So tap on OK if you want to go with the main device section. And here you have two options, which is login with a QR code or login with another method. So if you have a QR code, you can go with QR code, or you can go with login with another method and go with phone number, Apple, or your Google. Or if you want to log in with your email, you can go with sub device and then tap on OK and just wait for a few seconds, and you can log in with your QR code, or go with login with email, which will be on the bottom. Enter your email address and then your password, and go with the arrow, which will be on the right side, and you'll be logged into your account. That's it. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.